Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to prevent everyone from messaging you in TikTok. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have full control over who can send you messages on TikTok. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Open the TikTok app on Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll notice 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down to find the Interactions category and tap on Messaging. Step 7. You'll see Messaging again, tap on it. Step 8. Finally, select No One. By following these simple steps, you can prevent everyone from messaging you in TikTok. This feature allows you to have complete control over your TikTok inbox and manage your privacy effectively. We understand that maintaining control over who can message you is important to many TikTok users, and this guide will help you achieve that. Remember, you can always adjust your settings later if you decide to allow messages. Thank you for watching and enjoy a more personalized TikTok experience with complete control over messaging.